son of Lamique Beauty, instructor here at Lamique Academy of Makeup, housed in the Hogan Institute of Cosmetology and Aesthetics at 495 Indian Trail Road, Lilburn, Georgia. The director, Pamela Hogan, has been changing careers and changing lives. In our makeup program, we also go behind the scenes and you work with a professional photographer that gives you pointers and highlights, different things that comes from a photographer's eye. Right now, on my beautiful model, Taja, I am hitting all the areas where I know that she has very oily skin at. So I'm using just a little finishing powder, just to touch her up, to give her a flawless look. On the bridge of the nose, the top of her forehead, and her chin. And for more information and tips, and get more education in makeup artistry, visit www.gice-edu.org.